Hi there, it's Debbie Anderson here from Inner Liberation Healing, and I'm here outside to do a little video today about my channel, Recovery from Narcissistic Abuse, and I'm here today to talk to you about a 6-step guide that I've developed for free, which is called 6 Steps to Heal Yourself After Narcissistic Abuse. So there'll be a link at the end, below the video, where you can get this guide for free, which will help you on your journey to heal from narcissistic abuse. So I put these steps into a simple guide for you so that you have a blueprint to follow and look at, which is simple. And if I had this in my life years ago when I was leaving my narcissistic abusive partner, it would have been helpful to me. So the first step is called "Why Are You in So Much Pain?" And the reason that you probably reached out and are on the internet looking for information and facts or so on about abuse is because you're in pain. So you realize that you've been narcissistically abused, or maybe you're not quite there yet, but maybe this guide will help you to realize what's going on in your life. So the step 2 is about understanding what narcissistic abuse is and how to identify it specifically, and also how severe it is. There's a little exercise in that step which will clarify whether or not you're in an abusive relationship, hopefully, and if you are, the severity of it, whether it's mild, moderate, or severe. And I found that really useful to give me some direction about what was going on. I mean, there are people that are jerks, and then there's narcissists. So the fact that you're reaching out is kind of a clue that there's something really wrong in your relationship, though. Step 3 is called Get Your Life Back, and these are concrete things that you can do. A survival plan, a blueprint that will give you things that you can step forward, move concretely ahead from your situation, whether that's now, whether that's in the future, whether you're contemplating it all. It's good to have an intention and a focus and a goal to work towards. And the more planning that you do in advance, the more successful your separation will be. Next step is called Why No Contact, and this is imperative for your healing. Here you're going to learn that caring for yourself, loving yourself, and respecting yourself is why you need to have no contact, or a modified version of that. You'll learn that dedicating to yourself is connecting with your inner self and healing those deep wounds that will actually change your life in miraculous ways. Step 5 is all about getting relief from your pain, and you'll need to have some relief in order for you to function, so that's a very helpful step. The true solution in our healing is when we go directly into our trauma within our body and start working on releasing it. Mostly everyone is working on the level of your mind to release the trauma, and that's why there's still so many people that are in toxic relationships. They're feeling victimized, they have these obsessive thoughts, and the effects of the abuse from the narcissist hasn't gone away because they are working in their mind and not working from healing the trauma in their body. Number 6 is wrapping it all up, and it's called Becoming Whole Again. It's in order to heal, you need to have many of these steps, and it will help you to understand how important actual deep healing in your body is, and the wounds that need to be healed. I was in a relationship with a narcissist for 14 years, and after that I needed to continue to have a modified version of contact because of a shared custody issue. And I learned that being away in the situation was really helpful, and being away from him helped me heal to a certain degree, but not until I healed myself on a much deeper level with quantum healing did I actually heal and heal permanently. So if you would like to talk with me about how to heal, if you'd like some support, if you have some questions, the link to my website is below. And as I mentioned, there's a link for the video or for the guide, the 6 steps to heal yourself after narcissistic abuse is below this video. Also, if you would be kind enough to subscribe to my channel, and I will be able to send you more information and things that will help you on your journey to heal. And if you could leave a comment or even a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. So until next time, take care, and I will see you in the next video.